सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Verse 26, page 174. Ajñarkacharya govipra Guru Vruddha Suran Shuchihi Samahita Upasita Sandhe cha etavagjapan Lord Krishna talking about ashrama dharma, 4 ashramas: brahmacharya, grihastha, vanaprastha and sannyasa ashrama. Among these 4 ashramas, first ashrama he is dealing in these verses up to 30th verse. Brahmacharya ashrama we are seeing. Brahmachari is one after taking Upanayanam, Gayatri mantra, the father leaves him in that Gurukula. How the Brahmachari has to conduct himself, his behavior, his Vesha Dharana and his physical activities and mental bhavana, all are presented in these slokas very clearly. In this 26th verse, Brahmachari's behavior, the conduct is given. There are 2 types of brahmacharis: Upakurvana brahmachari and Naishthika brahmachari. In Brahmacharya ashrama also 2 types of brahmacharyas are mentioned in the Shastra. One is Upakurvana brahmacharyam, a brahmachari who is preparing himself for grihastha ashrama. A brahmachari who is preparing himself for grihastha ashrama. That is one type of brahmacharyam. Another type of brahmacharyam is Naishthika brahmacharyam, the one who want to lead a brahmacharya life throughout his life. Permanently brahmachari is Naishthika brahmachari, lifelong. Even if she is a stree, Naishthika brahmacharini we can say. Lifelong she can stay like a brahmacharini. Naishthika means throughout life. No entrance towards this grihastha ashrama. Only brahmacharya ashrama till their life span, life end. They live like that. Among these 2 nice brahmacharya ashramas, they decide what they want. That is why this ashrama is called vratam. Grihastha ashrama we don't say vratam. Grihastha ashrama vratam we don't say. Vanaprastha ashrama vratam we won't say. But sannyasa ashrama we say vratam. Brahmacharya ashrama is also a vratam. For grihasthas and vanaprasthas, there is another vratam, Satyanarayana Swami vratam, like Ekadashi vratam, Dvadashi vratam. You can have Brahmacharya and sannyasi ashramas, they themselves are vratams. That itself indicates, vratam means you follow certain disciplines. This we know. Vinayaka vratam it is. That day you tie a toranam, Vinayaka Chaviti vratam. Varalakshmi nomb. Nomb is another name for vratam. Varalakshmi vratam we say. Satyanarayana vratam we say. Ekadashi vratam, Dvadashi vratam, Mahashivaratri also is a vratam, Mauna vratam they follow. So, Grihasthashramis are also having vratams. Going to Sabarimala is a vratam. Like that, ashrama itself is a vratam, is unique. Brahmacharya vratam, any vratam is that where you follow all vows, promises. You keep them, otherwise you will get papam. Because once you promise, you have to follow that. Once we promise, we have to follow it. If you do promise, either verbally or mentally, if you drop the promise, it is a violation of that your own words or your own sankalpa. Correct? That violation of your own words, violation of your own sankalpa is mahapapam. Therefore, in Ramayana also, Pitruvakya Paripalanam is a vratam. Rama followed that. Ekapatni vratam, it is a vratam followed by Rama. Like that, vratams are always my own thoughts, my own words, my own sankalpa. I have to live according to that, in keeping with them. We are not supposed to violate them. Therefore, Brahmacharya ashrama also, one has to follow, one should not violate. One should not violate that vratam. That is why so many disciplines. In the previous verses, we saw he should not give much importance to deha, nail care, hair care. Too much importance he should not give, I said. We should not extend too much that. There is another verse which talks about the importance of that shaucham, cleanliness. That shloka I said I will tell you in the next class. Today I will tell you that shloka. You have to take care of the body. Very, very important that shloka tells. Before telling that shloka, I want to do one correction. In the last class, Shariramadhyam Kalu Dharma Sadhanam, I said from Abhignana Shakuntalam. It is not from Abhignana Shakuntalam, it is from Kumara Sambhavam. First slip, my lip slip, mistake it happened. It is from Kumara Sambhavam. When Parvati was doing tapas, Lord Shiva tells to Parvati. That is the correction. Now this shloka, what I want to say, one should not wash the mouth, one should not cut the hair. In the previous shloka said, Brahmachari should not be obsessed with too much of pampering towards the body. That is the meaning, I said. Now what is that? Controversy should not come. Whether to keep my body clean or not. One verse says, keep it clean. One verse Krishna says, don't keep it. The controversy. Here only we have to interpret properly. Another shloka says, not in Uddhava Gita, from some other place I am telling, Kuchelinam Malo Kuchelinam dantamalopadharinam mahashanam nishthura vakyabhashinam suryodaye cha astamaye cha shayinam jahati lakshmi api chakradharinam. Very nice sloka. This is subhashitam like. Every class, Swami used to give lot of subhashitams for us. The subhashitam class tanya Niti Shatakam is there. We used to take that in our camps. In our classes also, once in a while, we quote that slokas. This is one of the subhashita sloka. Even Lakshmi leaves Vishnu if these are not followed. What are they? Who is that person? Kuchelinam, one who wears dirty dress, torn dress, and dirty and torn one, not at all good dress. Kuchelinam, Lakshmi Jahati. Even Vishnu wears that, Lakshmi won't stay with him. Danta malopadharinam, the one who does not wash his mouth. One who does not brush the mouth, Lakshmi Jahati, even he is a Vishnu. Then Mahashanam, the one who eats too much, more than what is required. You have to eat according to your age. According to your ashrama, you have to eat only 4 idlis, suppose. If you eat 2 idlis also extra, Lakshmi Jahati. How Lakshmi Jahati? If I eat 2 idlis extra, how Lakshmi Jahati? I will tell you. Arogya Sri Jahati. Arogya Lakshmi will go away. Health is wealth, that wealth goes away. If you eat too much, Mahashanam, don't eat madhya paniyam, don't touch the food, anything. Mahashanam. Then, whom Lakshmi leaves? Nishthura Vakya Bhashinam, the one who talks Nishthura Bhashinam, blaming, complaining, always hurting words. Whoever talks, Lakshmi won't stay with them. Lakshmi Jahati. You have to supply for everything. Lakshmi Jahati. Shubho Suryodaye cha Astamaye cha Shayinam. The one who sleeps at the time of sunrise. Suryodaye cha. The one who sleeps at the time of sunset. Suryodaye cha Astayamaye cha Shayinam. You can write down if you like this sloka, I will dictate. You have to teach your children, grandchildren. Okay? Suryodaye cha Astamaye cha Shayinam. Jahati Lakshmi api Chakradharinam. Chakradhari means what? Vishnu. Lakshmi api Jahati Chakradharinam. Who are they? Kuchelinam Dantamalopadharinam Mahashanam Nishthura Vakya Bhashanam. Bhashinam, the one who speak like that. Suryodaye cha Astamaye cha Shayinam. Jahati Lakshmi api Vichakradharinam. Lifelong remembering, worth remembering sloka. You want, after the class you come and I will tell you, you can note down. Okay. Therefore, Upakarvana Brahmachari has to follow all the disciplines. Number 1, Agni, worshipping Agni. Every day, Samidhadhanam. If he is taken Gayatri, Japa, Gayatri mantra, every day Samidhadhanam to be done. Agnihotra can be done by only Grihastha. Samidhadhanam he has to do every day. Agni. Then Arka. Surya Bhagavaniki Namaskar. Surya Namaskar. All those mantras, Mitra Varuna, Hiranyagarbha, Bhanave Namaha, Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha, Suryaya Namaha. Like that mantras he has to chant. Arka. Acharya. Acharya means the teacher. The one who teaches scriptures is called Acharya. Vipra, all Brahmanas. All Brahmanas, Vipras, Guru. Up to Guru Isa, and Guru means here all superiors, who are all superiors, because Acharya we have taken as a teacher. Elders, those are superiors to you, and well-learned people, they are called Gurus. Pancha Gurus you can accept. Bharta can be taken as a Guru. Eldest brother also can be taken as a Guru. Father also can be taken as a Guru. Upaneta cha, Pati, Pita, and my own Guru. All can be taken as Guru. Therefore, Acharya is a different person. Guru is a different person. Guru, father is my Guru. Brother also, eldest brother only, can be taken as Guru. So, eldest brother is seen as a Guru in the family. Jeshta Bhrata. Even wife's father or husband's father can be taken as Guru. All these can be considered as Gurus. Respect them. Then Vriddhaha, we have to see. Age-wise, who are all elderly people. Age-wise, who are all elderly people, you can respect them, worship them as your Gurus. Suran, all the Devatas. Why this worship? Why this namaskara? Worshipping means namaskara you have to do. Physical namaskara indicate the mental bhavana. Respect is a mental attitude. Reverence towards Acharya, Gurus, Vipra, it is a bhavana. It is internal. An internal bhavana has to be expressed physically. I told you this many times, but again I am reminding. External Kayika Namaskara indicates internal reverential attitude. That's why Namaskara is very, very important. It shows my attitude towards that person. My Acharya, my Guru, Vipra, Agni, Arka, all of them. How I show reverence, how I show my mental bhavana, only through Namaskara. That Namaskara influence, Kayika Namaskara influence the mind. Kayika Namaskara, physical Namaskara influence the mind. Prabhavam. It affects the mind. Negligence, not having humility, not doing Namaskara, not showing my reverence to them physically, it cannot influence my mind. That's why whole religious life involves Namaskara. Whole religious life, physical, japa, tapa, austerities, all of them only to transform the mental personality. Mental personality alone, suppose if you go to the temple, you feel shanti. If you go to an ashrama, physically you are going ashrama, physically you are going to the temple. How you are getting shanti? You are getting peace, you are getting by just physical pradakshanam. Physically you are going to the temple, doing namaskara there, sitting in the temple. That physical activity of going to the temple is an example. I am giving one example. Physical activity of going to the ashram, any ashrama, how that physical activity giving shanti in the mind? Because the physical activity influences the mind. After going there also some people are unhappy. Adi vere vishayam. It takes time for them to be peaceful, enjoying the temple, tranquility, peace. It takes time. You require, go on and on, you go there, you get the tranquility. It takes time for that. Initial stages, even in temple also you cannot get peace. Even in ashrama also some people won't get peace. But continuously if you go there, after some time, you get peace, tranquility, relaxation. Why? Physical activity influences the mind. Now you come to the class, you get peace or restlessness. Tell me. Coming to the class is a physical activity. Yes? Coming to the class is a physical activity. But how it is giving peace to the mind, mental level, manomaya kosha, that is the connection. Some students say, Swamini class ku varalena oru maadriya irukonna. Ee oru maadriya irukana, adidane solren. Physical activity, physical ambience, physical atmosphere, what are all you are involved, they influence the mind. Suppose you take your body over to cinema hall or serial or any other function or any other entertainment you take, mental peace cannot be guaranteed. It cannot be guaranteed. Clear? That is why all religious activities are supposed to give peace of mind. Namaskara, worshipping all this, Agni, Arka, Guru, Acharya, Vipra, all the way they are going to influence the mind. What it gives? Spiritual growth. What spiritual growth gives? Shanti. Mana, Nilai, Amedi. Amediyana Varmanam. Shantamana Varmanam. That is possible only by religious lifestyle. Satsanga. This is a satsanga. Temple, satsanga, ashramas. Why they are giving tranquility? Because tranquility providing conditions are there. Tranquility, peace providing conditions are there. If our children today they are under lot of stress, pressure, tension at a young age. At the age of 40, 50, people are getting massive heart attack. Enna karanam theriyuma? Relaxation life is not there. Peaceful life is not there. Why it is not there? Religious life is not there. Visiting a temple is every day, it is like visiting the psychiatrist doctor madrida. You need not go to any psychiatrist in life. If you visit a temple every day, you will never get that time to visit a psychiatrist. One of our Swamijis says, India, we have every street psychiatrist centers. What are they, God, temple. You go see in this temple, there will be one temple in Ranga Road. At least minimum 1 or 2 temples will be there. The more you visit the temple and do japa there and pradakshinam, Don't bother about the temple, atmosphere and all. Go there, deity and yourself. Do namaskara and come. I will tell you, I will give the guarantee card. You will never get depression, oppression, suppression. If you have satsanga, if you have Daiva Puja, Daiva Sannidhi, you never get. That's why Suran, even Devatas also, in the temple who are all there? Rahu, Shani, all are Devatas only. We are looking at them very bad. All Navagrahas, as though danger ring center calls madri. ஐயோ சுத்து சுத்து சுத்துன்னு பயப்படுற பயம் கொடுக்குறான். தப்பான ஒரு எண்ணம் அது. ஆதித்யாய சோமாய மங்களாய குரு சுக்ர புத குரு சுக்ர சனிभ्यश्च ராகவே கேதவே நமஹ. சோமதேவதா, சந்திரதேவதா, குஜதேவதா, சனிதேவதா, புததேவதா, all these devatas are all really helping us, guiding me, helping me. Even prabala bad prarabdha, they are indicating so that I can take care of my life. Therefore we have to thank them. All are devatas. Apart from them also, there are many other devatas. Muppatti mukkodi devatas we have. Indra, Varuna, Vayu, Agni, Suran. You have to do japa, chanting their name and worshipping them. Yatavak japan. So, Suran, then Suchihi. May you be clean physically, verbally, mentally. Avoid all negative talking, disappointing talking. Avoid all pessimistic thinking. If I have pessimistic thinking, looking at always negatively, that is called ashuchihi. At thinking level. At verbal level also, talking negatively, talking disappointingly, talking hurtingly, all called vak asuchi. Vak tapas illen artham. You have to monitor all the way. 360 days you have to monitor. If I don't monitor my mind, that vak, asuchi vak influence the mind. Asuchi vak, disappointing words influence the mind. Negative words influence the mind. Hurting words influence the mind. You use one hurting word, but that word continues in your mind 1 week. I told you one example, one experience. One teacher, when I was doing lot of counseling for students and teachers in my Purvashrama, I was a teacher. I used to do counseling for many teachers, and whenever the teachers are free, they come and meet me. One teacher just entered the room and crying. After the crying, finally she tells, today, before coming to the school, I shouted at my daughter and I used one word, Shani. That word I used, very small child, 3-year-old child, naughty children. This teacher has to come to school. That child is so naughty, studying in the same school. So she has to bring that child, prepare and bring. And this mother is so angry and just blurt out, Shani. And சொல்லி வந்துட்டான். அதுக்கப்புறம் she is not able to take class for any students because the mind is disturbed. And I go only once in a week, once in a month like that, and she remembers that word and tells me, last week I said to my daughter, this word I used, Swamini, it is hurting me so much. Why I used that word? We use only one time, but it pricks us hundreds of times. That's why any time when we hurt others by rude words, rough words, really we are not hurting them. Please remember. Without our control, we just utter those words. Afterwards, months together, years together, even decades together, it changes. That word will change what I uttered so many years back. It will never leave us. And that pain is going on and on here. Who is suffering really? I am only the sufferer. Why I have to use that words? That's why walk yata. Yata vakkana adudha. Monitor your words. Monitor your thoughts. Even thought level they come also, you must have control before they are coming out through the words, as words. If thought level itself you do satsanga, japa daily and temple visit, or are you able to go to the temple, nearby temple, go. If not possible, do pradashanam in your house itself, take it as a temple. When you are sick, old. But children ku or habit irukano daily temple ku poகிறது or satsangam and daily parayanam some. These are all make our mind pure. All these negative thoughts won't rise. Suppose we allow them to rise and we are not able to control, and we utter, we shout, and we feel guilty. That pain is unhealthy to the body. Later on, you become a sick person without your knowledge because of a chemical imbalance. Mental disturbance disturbs the whole biology of the body. Very, very sensitive topic this is. Don't take casually. Because as a yoga teacher I am an academic teacher. I have done counseling for many people, many students, many yoga practitioners. I have gone through many people's lifestyle. With that experience, I am giving you caution. Why sickness comes for a person? If values are not there, disciplines are not there, body becomes sick because of mind is sick. Mind is sick because of lack of reverence towards elders. Vriddha. Age-wise they are elders. Suppose sannyasi is a superior one. Sannyasi alone is superior ashrama-wise. Age-wise, if they are superior also, they have to do namaskara for young sannyasi. Here, ashrama-wise is superior. That is why brahmachari, age-wise, younger. Children, whenever father, mother, every day they have to do namaskara to father, mother, because they are elders. Vriddha, to be respected because they have experience. 6-year-old boy, 60-year party ki namaskaram pandanam. Yenna, she has seen 6 decades of her life. 70-year-old party, 7 decades he has seen the experience. 17-year-old child has to do namaskar, reverence. That's why Vriddha also given. Sruran, Shuchihi, Samahitaha. Samahitaha means with focused mind. May you have focused mind. Now you see your children, how much they have focused mind. A restless mind can never be healthy. Focused mind is always able to concentrate and grasp and become efficient. If you become restless, absorption is not there in your mind. concentration are not there in the mind, you can never be peaceful or healthy also. Please remember, this health, this peace, you want temporary or permanent? Permanent. But unfortunately, children, teenagers neglect, ignore. Naturally, they are healthy when they are young. When they are in teenage, they don't bother about yoga sadhana. They don't bother about puja. They don't bother about japa. Who? Children. உனக்கு இப்போவே எதுக்கு ஜப்பம், உனக்கு இப்போவே எதுக்கு பிராணாயாமம், உனக்கு இப்போ இதே சொல்லி கொடுப்பான், உனக்கு இப்போவே எதுக்கு பகவத்கீதா, உனக்கு இப்போவே எதுக்கு சத்சங்கம். And for children's sake, party tata will go to the temple. For children's sake only, tata party eat food. Tata party only, let them eat food. Some husbands think like that. எனக்காக என்னோட வைஃப் பூஜை பண்ணுறான்னா, நான் பண்ணுறதில்லை, அந்த அம்மாவே பண்ணுவான்னு. அப்போ அந்த அம்மாவே சாப்பிட்டோம் ஃபுட்டு, நீ எதுக்கு சாப்பிட்ணும்? அது சொல்ல மாட்டேன். அந்த அம்மா 2 வேளை சாப்பிட்டு இவர் 4 வேளை சாப்பிடுவார். மத்திய மத்திய பானியம். இதெல்லாம் சோம்பேறித்தனத்துக்கு ஒரு அடையாளம். Even husband also only doing, why I have to do, why I have to go to temple. அவரே பண்ணின்றாரு. நீ என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்னா, நான் துக்ளக் படிச்சுட்டு இருப்பேன், குமுதம் படிச்சுட்டு இருப்பேன், எல்லாம் ஸ்டார் டஸ்ட் படிச்சுட்டு இருப்பேன். அவர் பண்ணட்டவன்னா வீட்டில் இந்த மாதிரியெல்லாம் நடக்கும். ஒன் ஹஸ்பண்ட் இஸ் ரிலிஜியஸ், ஒய்ஃபு ரொம்ப மோசம். இஃப் ஒய்ஃப் இஸ் ரிலிஜியஸ், ஹஸ்பண்ட் இஸ் ரொம்ப மோசம். அப்படி கிடையாது. யாருக்கு பசிக்கிறதோ அவனை சாப்பிட்டு தான் ஆகணும். Everybody has to work for their spiritual upliftment. Everybody has to work there for mental peace. It is not one person can do and for others not. Don't do that way. Children also, they themselves have to do that. Puja, japa, temple visit and respecting elders. If they are not respecting, we have to just warn immediately. Continuously they have to do. எனி டைம். சம்டைம்ஸ் தேர் ரொம்ப வினமையாக இருப்பான் ஒரு 10 வருஷம், அதுக்கப்புறம் ரொம்ப அடமெண்ட் ஆகிடுவான் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் ஆஃப் சம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆல். அண்ட் மெனி பேரண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் கம்மிங் அண்ட் டெல்லிங் மீ, ஐ எம் நாட் ஏபிள் டு கண்ட்ரோல் மை சன், ஐ எம் நாட் ஏபிள் டு கண்ட்ரோல் மை டாட்டர். ஏன் சிச்சுவேஷன் வருது? காரணம் பீர் ப்ரெஷர், அவுட் சைட் ப்ரெஷர், தேர் லைஃப் ஸ்டைல், தேர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், தேர் மூமெண்ட்ஸ் வித் தெம். That's why parents are helpless nowadays. It's not a healthy sign, healthy family. And the family க்கு இன்னும் வரப்போகிற டைம் கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமான டைமு தான் புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. இப்போ நல்லா தான் இருப்பான், afterwards many problems will come. Therefore children must obey, humility, அடக்கம். எப்பவுமே நம்ம வாட்ச் டாக் மாதிரி வாட்ச் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கணும் அவங்களுக்கு. we have to monitor. It is our job. It is teacher's job. It is a parent's job. Otherwise they are like wet clay. The baked clay, once it is a baked pot, you cannot change. Once it become a pot, once you mix water with the clay, that clay you can mold whatever way you want. Similarly tree also, while growing you can turn its direction, you can make it strong. Not after growing, not after becoming hard, the clay, the water dries up, you cannot mold the pot. Children also like that. Why children are behaving like that? Because parents are not following disciplines. I am daringly telling that. Parents, to what extent they have to follow disciplines, what extent they have to be strict, they are not doing that. That is the reason all children are becoming. Why I am so seriously talking? Yesterday I heard one news. One boy, nowadays girls, before marriage, they want to talk each other to know their compatibility. And the girl tells, I have got a drinking habit. That too, I like beer. She is telling to that boy before marriage. In the marriage alliance, and the பொண்ணு இப்படி சொல்றது என்ன? And don't tell this to my parents. She tells to that boy. If that boy is also already habituated to drinking, even he can marry that girl. Will he marry that girl? Only foreign boy only can marry. Not any orthodox family boy can never marry her. How dare she is able to say that? After hearing that statement, my mind is really totally from yesterday onwards till today I am not all right. அந்த அளவுக்கு டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணுறது என்ன? எங்கே இருக்கும்? ஒரு சின்ன பொண்ணு காலேஜில் படித்து ஜாபுக்கு போய் கல்யாணம் மேரேஜ் பார்க்கும்போது இப்படி தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. இது டூ மச் எக்ஸ்டெண்ட். முன்னாடி எல்லாம் சந்தியாவந்தனம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான்னா கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கிறான்னு சொன்னால் அதே டேஞ்சர் அப்போது. இப்போ அது போய் மீறி இந்த வரைக்கும் வந்தாச்சு. பிராமின்கள் சொல்கிறதுக்கே கஷ்டமாக இருக்கு. Why? Because they are moving with that companies, with that people, with that friends. How dare? How dare? What Shastra says? Madhyapanam mahapapam. The parents of that boy really appadi wonder, astonished after listening that, and painful also. Who will be happy by hearing that? Who will be happy? That's why don't take it as granted. Our children are very nice at home. One father அப்படிதான் அப்ராட் போயிட்டாரு, பையனும் குடிச்சுட்டே இருக்கான், இவருக்கு பிபி ஏற்படுச்சு, எல்லா டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸும் பாடியில். அவர் நினைக்கவே இல்லை என்னோட பையன் இப்படி பண்ணுறான். நான் ஓகே, டோன்ட் அலோவ் த சில்ட்ரன். That respect towards parents to be maintained, their words to be maintained. பயப்படணும். இப்படி பண்ணணும்னா அவர் அப்பா அம்மாவுக்கு இப்படி பண்ணலாமா, இவ்வளோ துரோகம் ஆகிடுமேனு கூட அவங்களுக்கு அப்பா அம்மா மேலே ரெஸ்பெக்ட் இருந்தால் அப்படி பண்ணுவானே. ஏன் இல்லைன்னா விருத்தா ஃபாதர் மதர் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் இஸ் நாட் தேர். வை? அசமாஹிதா. தேர் இஸ் நோ கண்ட்ரோல் ஓவர் தேர் சென்ஸ் ஆர்கான்ஸ். Uddhava Gita talk or general talk? Uddhava Gita talk only. It is not a general talk. Look at the shloka. Brahmacharya ashrama. This boy, what he is so disciplined, he has to follow. Samahitaha upasati. Upasati. He does all worship. All these are worship. Upasati means what? I said upasana. Mentally, he is showing reverence to all of them. Samahitaha upasati. With a focused mind, with an absorbed mind, with a concentrated mind, he is worshipping all of them. கடமையேன்னு பண்ணக்கூடாது, காயத்ரி பண்ணணுமேனு பண்ணக்கூடாது. அது ஒரு ஆசையோட விருப்பத்தோட பண்ணணும். Once I had taken Yajnopavitam, ladies must compel that male person in the family, if he is not doing, நான் சாப்பாடு கொடுக்க மாட்டேன்னு சொல்லணும். அவ்வளோதான். நீங்கள் இவ்வளோ சந்தியாவந்தனம் பண்ணலன்னா நான் சாப்பாடு கொடுக்க மாட்டேன்னு சொன்னேன். ஏன் பண்ண மாட்டார்? பண்ணி தான் ஆகணும். நான் சமையல் பண்ண மாட்டேன்னு சொல்லுங்க, அவ்வளோதான். சந்தியாவந்தனம் பண்ணி தான் போகணும் கிளாஸுக்கு, ஆஃபீஸுக்கு. The ladies must be strict. That's a woman is the first teacher. And ஒருத்தர் வாட்ஸ்அப் அனுப்புகிறார் எனக்கு, சுவாமினி, மை டாட்டர் இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் மீ டு டூ சந்தியாவந்தனம் or at least 108 times Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayanaya. I am a Vedantic student. What shall I do? And ask him. Please ask him. நான் என்ன சொல்லணும்? only sannyasi can renounce. Sannyasi can give up that Sandhya Vandanam. Om Namo Narayanaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Not Grihastha. Even though you are a Vedantic student, you have to do. A Grihastha do for the sake of Lokakshema. Do Narayana Japa for Lokakshema. Do Namah Shivaya Japa for Lokakshema. Do Sandhya Vandanam for Lokakshema. Why not? I am a Vedantic student, I am Brahmanacharya. Brahmanacharya? Whole thing is, world is Brahman. Creation is Brahman. For Lokakshema you do. அதனால அதையும் புரியல இதையும் புரியலன்னு மாதிரி ஆகிடும் ஜோருக்கு. அப்படி பண்ணக்கூடாது. வேதாந்திக் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஆனாலும் அத்வைதி ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஆனாலும் கிரகஸ்தனாக இருக்கும்போது கட்டாயமாக நாம ஜபம் பண்ணணும். கேர்ள்ஸ், லேடிஸ் எஸ்பெஷலி நாம ஜபம் பண்ணாத நாள் இருக்கக்கூடாது. இஃப் காயத்ரி இனிஷியேஷன் இஸ் தேர், மேல் they have to do Gayatri Japam compulsory. இனிமேல் கட்டாயம் பண்ணுங்க. யாராவது வீட்டில் சந்தியாவந்தனம் பண்ணலைன்னா காயத்ரி ஜபம். ஏன்னா சாயங்காயத்ரி, மத்தியான காயத்ரி, பிராத காயத்ரி, காயத்ரி, சாவித்ரி, சரஸ்வதி, இச்சாசக்தி, கிரியாசக்தி, ஞானசக்தி. இந்த 3 சக்தி you have to invoke. The desire, Ichha Shakti and desire. Desire is not wrong. You can desire. But all desires must be noble. Panchamaha Yajnas Pannanam, desire, noble. And the desire continue Pannanam. Vedanta aidthe enakku edukku mantra japam இந்த desire வேண்டானா. நல்ல desires இருக்கணும் அப்பா. சத்சங்கம் போகணும்னு desire தானே. விடக்கூடாது. நல்ல டிசைர்ஸ் விடக்கூடாது. ஒரு பாய்க்கு யக்னோபவீதம் போட்டாச்சுன்னா பாட்டி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கணும். ஏய் சந்தியாவந்தனம் பண்ணிட்டியா? பண்ணலன்னு சொல்லணும். மதர், ஃபாதர் ஹேஸ் டு சே தட். கேர்ள்ஸ் they can stand ஸ்மார்த்த காயத்ரி. யோ தேவ சவிதா ஸ்மாக்கம் தியோ தர்மாதி கோச்சராக பிரேரயேத் தஸ்ய யப் பர்கஹ தத்வரேண்யம் உபாஸ்மஹேன்னு காயத்ரி, ஸ்மார்த்த காயத்ரி. நாராயண மந்த்ரா இஸ் தேர், நமசிவாய மந்த்ரா இஸ் தேர். எத்தனை மந்திரங்கள் இருக்கு. என்னதான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க? சும்மா அனவசியமாக வாய் வள பேசிட்டு இருக்கும். மற்றவங்களுக்கு கூட பேசுறது ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டாலும் ஜபத்துக்கு நிறைய நேரம் கிடைக்கும். அதுக்கு தான் சமாஹிதா யத வாக் ஜபன், உபாசிதா. இந்த லைன் அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. சும்மா அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிட்டு விடக்கூடாது. Husband also, wife is not doing japa, he has to tell her, do japa early morning and evening. It is good for the family and good for the society. Don't just shout, எல்லாமே அக்கிரமந்தா, எல்லாமே இப்படி தான் போயிட்டு இருக்கா உலகம். எதுக்கு 10 வாட்டி சொல்கிறேன்? பண்ண வேண்டிய கர்மாக்கள் பண்ணு. Society is going like this, going like that, people are like this. Stop uttering that words. Stop. My family members are like this, my mamiyar is like this, my father-in-law. Stop complaints. Are you doing what you have to do? Panchamaha Yajnas minimum. Daiva Yajna, Rishi Yajna, Manusha Yajna, Bhuta Yajna. பாராயணம் 5 நிமிஷம் பண்ணுறதுக்கு என்ன பாராயணம்? பண்ண முடியல சுவாமி, டயர்டு. மென்டலாக பண்ணு, இப்போ மானசிகமாக பண்ணு. மானசிகமாக பண்ணலாமே, அதுக்குதான் வச்சுருக்காங்கன்னே வழி. காய்க்க முடியலன்னா வாச்சிக்கமும் முடியலன்னா மானசம். எப்படி வரும் ஹெல்த்து, பீஸு? ஒன்றும் பண்ணாமலே எல்லாமே வரணுமா? எங்கேருந்து வரும்? ஆல் ரிலீஜியஸ் ப்ராக்டிஸ், பிரம்மச்சரிய ஆசிரமா இட்செல்ஃப் தே ஹேவ் ட்ரெயின். அதே இல்லை நமக்கு, இதுவும் இல்லை. இப்போ எங்கே திண்டாடின்னு இருக்கோம், எங்கே சுத்தின்னு இருக்கோம். எங்கே தெரியுமா? மெடிக்கல் ஷாப்பு, ஹாஸ்பிட்டல், மெடிக்கல் ஷாப்பு, ஹாஸ்பிட்டல். கோயிலுக்கு சுத்துறான்னு சொன்ன அதை விட்டுட்டான். சாஸ்திரம் சத்சங்கம் வச்சுக்கோன்னா அது விட்டுட்டான். இப்போ என்னன்னா హాస్పిటల్, డాక్టర్, మెడికల్ షాప్ దేవయ్యా. అండ్ సైకాట్రిస్టులు, అది వెరీ స్పెషల్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ అవర్ కల్చర్, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. అందుಕೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಾನು சொல்லலம்மா இதெல்லாம். ஓகே, சுவாமி நீ கிளாஸ் ரொம்ப நன்னா இருக்க, ரொம்ப நன்னா சொன்னான்னு நாமே சொல்லவே இல்லை, கிருஷ்ணர் தான் சொல்கிறாரு. கிருஷ்ணா alone is talking. சமாஹித சன் உபாசதி. சந்தே சந்தே సంధ్యావందనం, ప్రాతఃసంధ్యావందనం, మాధ్యాహ్నిక సంధ్యావందనం, సాయం సంధ్యావందనం. సంధ్యే ఈజ్ ద్వివచనం. You have to add another Gayatri, Tripada Gayatri, 3 வாட்டி காயத்ரி பண்ணணும். அந்த பாருங்கள், அந்த நமாஸ் பண்ணுறவங்க எல்லாமே ஏர்போர்ட்டில் அவங்களுக்கு நமாஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஒரு ரூம், ஸ்டேஷனில் பண்ணுவான், பஸ் ஸ்டாண்டில் பண்ணுறான், நம்ம ஆள் பண்ண மாட்டான். நீங்கள் துபாய் அந்த சைடு, சிங்கப்பூர் அந்த சைடு முஸ்லிம்ஸ் கண்ட்ரிஸ் போனால் கம்பல்சரி நமாஸுக்கு ஒரு ரூம். நமக்கு ப்ரேயர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ரூம் இருக்கா? ஏன் இல்லை? I saw on WhatsApp yesterday, after listening that another painful word. அவர் சொல்கிறாரு, எந்த நாட்டில் தர்மம் சொல்லியிருக்கோம் ஃபஸ்ட்டு, எந்த நாட்டில் சத்தியம் பேசணும்னு சொல்லியிருக்கோம், எந்த நாட்டில் ஒரு உமனுக்கு ரெஸ்பெக்ட் கொடுத்துருக்கோமோ, எந்த நாட்டில் ஒரு அஹிம்சை பற்றி பேசியிருக்கோமோ, அங்கேயே ஹிம்சை நடக்கிறது, அங்கேயே உமனுக்கு ரெஸ்பெக்ட் இல்லாமல் போயிருக்கு, அங்கேயே பொய் ரொம்ப நடக்கிறது, அங்கேயே அக்கிரமம் நடக்கிறது. எந்தெந்த நாட்டில் நம்ம சொன்னதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறான்னு அந்த நாடு பேர் சொல்கிறேன். அதில் எது நம்ம சொல்கிறோமோ, வாட் வி செட் இன் அவர் கண்ட்ரி, இன் அவர் வேதாஸ், திஸ் கண்ட்ரி இஸ் ஃபாலோயிங், திஸ் கண்ட்ரி இஸ் த ஃபஸ்ட். Japan, Norway, like that, UAE, many countries for one thing they said. Singapore, like that, many countries they said. I will translate that and I will put in board. அப்படி பண்ணணும். These are all said in Veda and they are all following and we are living. It is, they look at us and they laugh at us. They laugh at us. Shame, no? Okay. Yata walk Japan, controlling the walk also. Navadanginal nalum adangam. Yata means controlled speech. Anartha. Whenever I use a word comes out from my mouth, it must be hitam and it must be mitam. Hitam, mitam, moderate, and it must be useful to others. Otherwise, let it not come from my mouth. If you have that vratam, you are following vak vratam. Yata vak japan. While doing japa, you are not to have any other distractions. That is the meaning. Lot of time I took for one sloka. Another 2 more hours also I can talk on this verse, but we will go to the next verse. 27. All this for brahmachari, you have to supply. ब्रह्मचारी उपासति चित्त समाधानेन एतत् सर्वं ब्रह्मचारी उपासति. ब्रह्मचारी follows. आचार्यं मां विजानीयात् नावमन्येत कर्हिचित् न मर्त्य बुद्ध्या सूयेत सर्वदेवमयो गुरुः. Another word I left in the previous verse. I told you, no? If I talk one sloka, it will go further. What is that? Go. Cow. One should worship cow. I just mentioned in the last class, but I didn't mention elaborately. See, cow dung alone is converted into vibhuti. That vibhuti, when they are manufacturing, they have to chant Sadhyo Jatam mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim, they have to chant. Even while wearing vibhuti also, we have to chant mantra. The cow is so holy, sacred, because it's dung, cow dung, and cow urine, cow everything, milk, ghee, everything is pavitram. And there is one shloka, beautiful shloka, the homa dhuma, the pogai, அது ரொம்ப நல்லது உடம்புக்கு అని சொல்கிறான். இந்த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா ஃபுல்லாக அபவுட் ஆச்சாரியா. இந்த விசார சாகர ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், வாட் எவர் வி ஹவ் கம்ப்ளீட்டட் இன் தேர்ட் சாப்டர் விசார சாகர ரீசென்ட்லி, all that விசார சாகர கர்த்தா borrowed from here. குருவுக்கு எப்படி சேவை பண்ணும், வாகர்ப்பணம், தனார்ப்பணம், மன அர்ப்பணம், how to do, and how much Guru Bhakti should be there. That sloka itself will take long time. So I will explain about that 27th sloka in the next class. There is another sloka tells very aside sloka only. Very aside sloka alla kattikanu. Very important. How our ancestors are so intelligent. What they say, look into it, is बालार्को होम धूमश्च बालस्त्री निर्मलोदकं रात्रौ क्षीरान्न भुक्तिश्च आयुवृद्धिः दिने दिने. And reverse to this, there is another sloka, वृद्धार्क प्रेत धूमश्च वृद्धस्त्री पल्वलोदकं रात्रौ दध्यन्न भोजनं आयुक्षीणम दिने दिने. Clear? What it means now? First shloka, first part I will explain. Always the girl, the boy whom he is going to marry, there must be an age difference. 5 years minimum difference should be there. Now girls are telling, no, that much difference we don't want to marry. But girl should be younger always than boy. That is very important. Balarkaha. For what? Ayurvruddhi. Equal age, same age or elderly woman should not marry. Ayukshinam. Then homa dhumascha. The dhuma, the poga, which comes from that herbal homa samit, that is good for health. Then balarkaha means rising sun is very good. D vitamin comes from that balarka. Balastri means young woman. He has to marry young girl. Nirmalodakam, the flowing water one has to drink. Stagnated water one should not drink. For what? Ayurvruddhi. These are all for Ayurvruddhi. Ratro kshiranna bhojanascha. Night time milk rice. When I was young, at the age of 12 years, I started eating milk rice. Many decades. Till now also I prefer only milk night. So milk, kshiranna bhojanam. I never knew this sloka at that time. Just like that, because of my guidance from my brother, I started taking kshiranna, milk rice, only without salt, without sugar, only milk rice. That became habit for me. So, kshiranna bhojanam ratrau. Then ayurvruddhi dine dine. This is good for ayush, lifespan increase. Idukella opposite panna Ayukshinam dine dine. Okay, next week I will tell you more detail. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।